looking at Dalgary.
Yes.
We're looking at Nilgiri South. Annapurna 1, Annapurna South.
Yeah.
Inchili. And Machu Picchu, the fishtail over there.
Yeah.
Absolutely unbelievable view. Unbelievable view. It's just fantastic. Love it. Two 8,000 metre peaks inside. Just brilliant. Best view I've ever known.
I'm 62.
Okay.
62, and I'm so glad we did it.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 60, nearly 61. It was a bit of a struggle, but you've got to have stamina and it's worth it.
Okay.
Maybe slowly.
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 Gistare.
Yeah, slowly. And this is the highest we've ever been.
Oh, okay.
3,210 meters.
You are not feeling anything, means like headache or nothing, right?
Take it slowly.
So everyone can do it, right?
Yeah.
But we've had a very good guide.
Yeah,
Oh.
fantastic guide.
Thank you so much. You made it. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Well done.